Curious about Earthlink Internet? It might have a higher price tag, but its great customer service reputation might make Earthlink worth it. I'm Riley with Switchful, and let's talk about it. We rank internet service providers based on value, performance, equipment and installation, and customer experience. Earthlink is an interesting provider. Instead of servicing through its own infrastructure, it partners with other internet service providers to repackage their service, acting as a go-between. This, of course, causes higher prices, but Earthlink has a great customer service reputation that might make it worth that price tag. Now, depending on your location, you'll see different price points. There are legit reasons for this. Earthlink doesn't actually use its own internet infrastructure. Instead, it partners with local DSL and fiber internet providers like at&t or Frontier to use their infrastructure. Now, this does cost Earthlink money, which means they pass that cost on to you. However, in return, you're promised better customer service. Earthlink actually skips the promotional pricing, unlike other ISPs. For example, at&t or Spectrum may quote you an introductory price that will often be in place for about 12 to 24 months, but will often jump up after the introductory period is over. Earthlink doesn't do this, which is a win in our book. This means that Earthlink can possibly be less expensive if you intend to keep your service for a while. Earthlink generally gives a solid performance and fast speeds, but this is hard to track due to how Earthlink operates from place to place. It's essentially reselling other provider services. The speed and reliability are highly dependent on the performance of the partners in that area. Much of the service is fiber, so that means performance reliability is consistent. Best of all packages have unlimited data. Prices are reasonable, but again, this varies from place to place. You'll get equipment from whatever partner is in your area, which could be a hit or a miss. The good news is Earthlink does set the fees and they are reasonable, around $9.95 a month. There is a similar story for installation. A rep from the partner company will come to do the installation, not someone from Earthlink itself. The installation fee is reasonable, around $80. Self-installation is available, but again, that's limited based on your location. Earthlink has customer service that shines. The company claims to prioritize customer service and experience, and users seem to agree. It seems Earthlink has friendly and knowledgeable customer service reps. However, we've seen that some of the customers haven't received Earthlink's customer support, but they receive support from the partner company instead. So if you get an Earthlink plan, make sure to check out the customer service reviews from the partner company too. We gave Earthlink 3.8 stars while customers gave it 4.3 stars. So what are your thoughts? Is Earthlink the right fit for you? Let us know down below. If you want to learn more about Earthlink or other internet service providers, check us out at switchful.com. We'll see you next time.